Okay, so here we have an unknown yarder, and it's kind of interesting because the tubes on it, the pipes are in an A-frame configuration, which I haven't seen before on a mobile yarder. I can't really get into it, but we'll try and get some outside views of it. It's back in the day of ingenuity and hard work, just getting her done. Probably lots of yelling and screaming and hollering and throwing wrenches too. A little bit of the butt rigging. I think that's a Cummins. Do not know what kind of truck that is at all. Boy, this looks like a Peterbilt. Like a mid-40s. But I'd like to be corrected, so I don't know them back then well enough. How do I get up there? Get my life in my hands trying to get over here. That's the old stuff, the foot frictions. It's self-raising. You don't need to string two guy lines out to raise it. It's got the block purchase pulleys on it.